Okay, a lot of people have been asking what is really the importance of try except method and why is it used when writing your code. So I'll tell you, give you brief meaning of that method. Try except. Okay, now let's say for example we write something that has an error, and in default your programming language, for mine I'm using Python, and Python is going to bring out an error message, and that error message might be long and might not be understandably read by the viewers or someone who is running your program. Let's say for example, let's say that a 2 is greater than 1. Okay, let me not say that. Let me say 2 divided by 0. If I run this program, let's see the error. Okay, it says 0 division error, division by 0. Okay, if I want this to print out self-defined error message, that's when I'll use try except method. Let's say, let me clear this off. Let's say try. Okay, let's put that program, let's say 2 divided by 0. Okay, let's say except. Okay, print not divisible. Okay, sorry, couldn't spell that correctly. Save this. Let's run this and see. Okay, you see it says not divisible. So that is just how try except method can be used. So let me say if I was working on a file that does not exist, if I say a equals open, okay, let's say my file .txt, but I know for sure that this file does not exist in my system. So if I say print a, let's print a and see the output. So I know for sure that file, okay, see, file not found, error 2, no such file or directory. So if I want to introduce my own kind of error message, I just use the try except method, which is very simple and cool. Anyone running my program, you really understand what the error is. Okay, let's put it in a try except method. So I say try. All right, let's indent these whole body. Okay, then let's say except print. Let's say what error message should I write? If I say okay, no such file. Okay, file exists on your computer. Okay, let's save and run this. Okay, see where? All right, say no such. Okay, and then put file. So say file exists. No such file exists in your computer. So that is just how the try except method works in Python. Alright, I think that will clarify some issues about some people asking how does try except method works. Next we'll be looking at finally and the else statement in the try except method. Bye.